Okay, now we want to get our data. In Power BI Desktop, there are 3 different ways for you to get data. The first one through a startup screen, or you can use the Home tab, and also sometimes you can also use the File menu. This is how it looks like at the home screen, and this is how it looks like at the home menu, or at the file you can get data like that. However, the most common method that I use is by getting the data from Home tab. I will explain first the process of getting your data. So once you click the Get Data button, this small window will come up, and you begin with looking for file type. For example, the one that we're going to work for this exercise is an Excel file. Select the Excel file, you can click the connect, and then look for your serials practice file, open it, and then sheet will appear. Choose the first sheet that contains a serials data and load. So now I think we are ready for the demo. Let's go and look at how can we do it in real life. To get your data, just click over here, get data, and remember just now that we want to work with Excel file, so make sure you select this one, Excel, and connect. So since I've stored the data at the desktop, just simply go to desktop, select this one, and press open. So this little window will come up, and you want to select serial, this one, sheet names serials, which contain all the data that I've shown just now. And finally, just click here to press load. If you notice, once the data has been finally loaded, this panel is filled in with the name of the columns available in the dataset. It's just that it is ordered according to alphabetical order from A to Z. This one just to show you that the list of available fields is in the fields panel, and we want to view sample data on data tab. Okay, so here only show you the list of columns. How do you want to see the data, the details of it? Go to here, data, and click. So you'll be able to see the whole data set that you have loaded from your original Excel file into Power BI. Exactly the same data set. So you have here 77 rows